This is David Dang Vu, and welcome to my July 2016 income report. Now, first and foremost, I want to thank each and every one of you that actually watches my income reports and pays close attention to what I'm doing on my YouTube videos, any of my vlogs. Thank you so much for all of your support. It means so much to me, and it's one of the reasons why I continue to do what I do. Now, also, I'm actually recording this in October 12th, 2016, and I want to definitely apologize to those of you out there who actually follow my income reports religiously. I've been getting a lot of comments, a lot of messages from you guys going, "Hey David, what's going on? I noticed you haven't uploaded your July, your August income reports. Are you still doing them?" The answer is yes. I plan on doing these income reports for a while, and I just want to apologize. I'm just gonna be upfront and honest with you guys. The reason why I haven't done my income reports, I'm a little embarrassed to say it, but the honest truth is I've just been having way too much fun. If you've been following on my videos or my social media, I've been traveling quite a bit, and every single time I travel for these extended periods of times, these mini retirements, every time I come back home, it takes me a week or even 2 weeks to readjust back to normal life, because then I have to get caught up with mail, get caught up with personal life, get caught up with family, get caught up with friends, right? And then when I'm back home, especially in the summertime, I love to go fishing. So that's the real reason why I haven't buckled down to create these income reports, because you do have to understand, when you watch these videos, it takes a whole entire day to create it. I gotta sit down, I gotta record, I gotta analyze everything with my accountants, go over all the numbers, make sure everything is accurate, because I'm very transparent and very authentic with you guys, so I want to make sure everything is on point. So after we sit down and record, it's not over yet. We have to edit the videos and make it look professional, make it look nice, and make it look consumable for everyone to watch and see. And that literally takes a whole entire day. So I'm happy to be able to buckle down and get this done right now. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive into it. First and foremost, I like to go over the fun stuff. Now, July was an interesting month. It's one of the very few months out of the year where I'm actually at home for the whole entire month. So the only really fun thing I did in the month of July was fishing. And those of you that know me, I am absolutely fanatical about fishing. I love fishing. I've been fishing since I was a kid. And funny story, while I was traveling for the last couple months, I got tagged on a viral video on YouTube of these Australians who took their drone and went fishing for tuna off the beach. This video went viral. Hundreds of my friends tagged me on this video because they know I love fishing and they know I just got a drone, right? So when I got back home, I decided to get into drone fishing. And let me tell you, it's one of the coolest kinds of fishing I have ever done in my life. I absolutely love it. I started making my own rigs with a coat hanger, and then I actually modified my drone and made a very professional payload reload mechanism, and it was really cool. We went fishing a bunch of times in July. I took Lillian, I took my friends, we went to the pier, we went to the beach, we caught a ton of stuff. We caught a bunch of bat rays, we caught a bunch of leopard sharks. Now, if you're into fishing, make sure you check out my YouTube videos here. You can actually watch almost all the episodes of my drone fishing adventures. If you're not, don't worry about it. Also in the month of July, Pokemon Go came out, and I grew up playing Pokemon as a teenager, and I had so much fun playing that game. So it was really cool to see the game resurface and went viral, and all of my friends were playing it. So it was pretty cool. I got into that game, and me and Lillian were playing that game religiously almost every single day. So we were either fishing or we were playing Pokemon Go. But then I got out of it and I stopped playing it. I only played it for about 2 weeks. Some other important news in the month of July, I actually hit my 100th vlog since I started vlogging on YouTube. That was a pretty cool and humbling accomplishment for me. And some other important news in July for me, we hit one of our biggest months in our vacation rental business. I believe we did like almost $40,000 in earnings. We'll go over more in detail on the actual income report about that. Other news, I've also been receiving a ton of messages and comments from students who are having a lot of success inside of my Udemy courses. It's absolutely amazing to receive and read these messages. It just gives me such a heartwarming feeling. I want to highlight some of them here. I want to give a shout out to one of my students, Pageman. I hope I'm saying your name right, but he's been generating $2,000 worth of sales a day, which is about $60,000 a month, which is absolutely incredible. Here's Mike E. I don't know how to pronounce your last name, who made his first sale, $70. Really cool. Congratulations to you. Here's another one of my students that's actually a personal friend of mine, Daniel Tam. He signed up for this course over a year ago and has just been applying it and implementing it day by day, doing it very part-time. And he actually quit his full-time job and now he works completely from home because of what he learned from my course. Congrats to you, Daniel. Definitely want to give a quick shout out to Teddy Lim. He's been one of my supporters in all of my vlogs and all my courses. This guy is so awesome. Can't wait to meet him one day. Here's Teddy in on the action. He made $636 on 2 sales. So I love receiving these messages. There's just too many to go over. This video would be very, very long if I actually went over all the stories. So I just want to highlight just a few of them. But I definitely wanted to save the best news for last. The best and most important news in the month of July was my mom. And those of you who've been following me know my mom's been battling a mental issue. She's been in and out of hospitals for the last 6 months. It's been horrible. And my mom finally came home on July 23rd, and it was such a beautiful day. She was literally normal. She started cooking all of her favorite foods. We came home. We were hanging out with her all day. We were just enjoying my mom. We were just so happy that she's finally back at home. So that was the best news for me in a long time as far as family news, but that was the best news that I could have received as far as personal and family news. It was just so awesome to see my mom come home. All right, let's talk about business. Let's talk about money. Let's get into the actual income report. All right, so coming in at number 1 is my e-commerce business, drop shipping products on eBay. Now, I do want to apologize. I know this video has already been quite long, so I'm actually just gonna make this video longer. I know I've said in the past, my goal is to try to make these videos 10 minutes or less, so that way we can just blaze through everything, but that's very, very challenging. I hope you guys know that, because I literally just gotta blaze through the numbers and I don't really get too much in depth about what's going on really, and I just I feel like I'm rushing it too much, you know? So because I haven't made these income reports for a couple months now and I've been taking my time, I'm just gonna take my time a little bit more, especially with the income part, and break it down and kind of show you more behind the scenes and take a look at my accounts and things like that. Now, funny story, I actually received one of my first haters on YouTube who called me out and said all my stuff was bogus and fake and that everything was just screenshots and that I make everything up, which is, you know, in a way kind of hurts me a little bit because I spend so much time to be transparent and authentic and show you a lot of times behind the scenes and my actual numbers. So I'm actually going to take my time here and actually log into my PayPal. So here we go. Let's go to paypal.com so you can see that this is all live. PayPal.com, I'm gonna log in here. All right, got everything saved on LastPass. I love this program. Make sure you use it for those of you who have like VAs and other employees. This thing is awesome. Logging in. All right, and let's go to, if the everything loads, got about $1,700 in my account. Woohoo! Got to transfer that over. Gonna click on activity here. So as you can see, this is all live. Everything is, you know, real. It's on the site. I'm clicking around. Everything's moving. This is definitely not fake or bogus. It's not a screenshot. Oh gosh, I wish that guy would watch this video. And let's go ahead and take a look at the last 30 days here. As you can see, a lot of sales coming in, right? Let's take a look at July. Oh, look at this, $725 sale. Yeah, anyways, let's go into July. Let's go here, July, and go to July 31st. All right, submit. Okay, so as you can see, a lot of sales. You know, we're generating, it looks like about, I don't know, 30, 40 sales a day sometimes, 20 to 40, all right, 25, 46, 25, 77, 154, 34, all live, as you can see. See, as my mouse hovers over, nothing bogus or fake here, okay? Now, let me go into the actual chart so you can see the total amount, charts and graphs. All right, so as you can see, in July, received about $53,000 in payments. I think some of those were payments in my online courses as well. But if you look down here, $52,704 was the total for the eBay sales, and about $1,800 was the PayPal fees. Okay, so going over the number again, $52,704. That was actually down $15,416 from the prior month, about a 22% decrease. On Ebates, I earned $5, which was $5 less than last month. I don't use Ebates a lot too much anymore. So that's why. Top cash back, I also earned $624 there, which was down by $352 and about 36% decrease. Simply Best Coupons, a new site I started using recently for Home Depot because I buy a lot of products from there. $413 is what I earned there, which is a $122 increase, up by 42.3%. My total overall earnings in the month of July for eBay was $53,700, down by a total of $15,600 and something dollars, and a total of about 22% decrease. Let's go over my expenses. My cost of goods, the amount of money I spent on products and purchasing these products for the customer, was $38,222, down by $2,800, roughly about 7% decrease. eBay fees was about close to $3,200, down by $2,400, a decrease of 43%. PayPal fees, as I mentioned earlier, was about $1,800, down by $495, and a decrease of 21%. Professional services, assistance, and outsourcing. Okay, I spent $587 this month, which was a big decrease of $700. I didn't spend too much on my assistants and professional services there, which was a decrease of about 55%. My total overall expenses was about $5,600, down by close to $3,700 and close to 40% decrease. In the month of July, I earned $9,894 in profit, which was actually a substantial decrease of $9,100 from the prior month. Now, some of you might look at that and think, oh my gosh, that's a big decrease. What happened? Did something go wrong? Well, historically speaking, this is my third year going into doing this now. And as I've seen the trajectory in the past with e-commerce and especially the kinds of products that I've been listing on my eBay business, this is actually very normal. The summer months slow down quite a bit. And in any business, this is what they call ebb and flow, ups and downs, right? Every business has different trajectories. Typically, right before the holidays, October, November, December, those are just absolutely insane months. Like, these numbers will double, even triple. To compensate, you're always going to have slower months to even it out. So these are typically the slower months like June, July, and August. So I was actually not quite surprised at all. And this is why I preach having multiple streams of income is definitely the key to long-term success, because not every business is always up and to the right all the time, right? So when one business dips, you might have another business that's going up. When you have another business that's going up, you might have another industry or business that's going down. So that's a way you can always have a surefire win, is to have multiple streams of income. A couple other things that were happening in my e-commerce business. One of my main assistants was actually getting married. So the whole entire month, she actually took off. I gave her the whole entire month off to prepare for her wedding, and really super excited for her. So that whole month, we weren't really adding too much more product. And for me, knowing the summer months are usually slower, next summer, I'm probably gonna have to add a lot of more products that are more tailored to customers that spend money for those products in summer. All right, now coming in number 2 again. This is the second month in a row that this category is number 2. Typically, if you've been watching my videos, it's always been e-commerce and e-courses, and they've been kind of bouncing back and forth, right? But number 2 again this month, same as last month, is actually my vacation rental business. Now, quite the contrary to e-commerce, vacation rentals absolutely boom and explode in the summertime, because most people around the world like to travel more in the summer. A lot of people and a lot of families with kids are off during the summer, so a lot of traveling, a lot of vacations, a lot of rentals, and a lot of money to be made in this industry, especially summertime. We earn double what we normally earn throughout the year in the month of June, July, and August. So in July, our total earnings for all of our vacation rental properties, and at the time of this recording, we have 8, was $39,650, which was close to about last month, and was down by $909, only a 2% decrease. Our rent was $12,000, close to $800, down by $4,100, a 24% decrease. That number is a little weird because I believe last month we moved into a new property and we had to pay like 1.5 months worth of rent and also the security deposit, right? So So that's why last month was a lot more. Okay, now our utilities. Wow, looks like we spent a lot more in utilities this month. It was close to $1,600, which was an increase of $649, close to 69%. Now that's not surprising because of the summer months, air conditioning is on a lot more, right? So there's a lot more money in electricity. And also because we're getting a lot more reservations, there's a lot more people using the utilities. Insurance, we only spent $11, which is a little weird, which is down by about $190, a 94% decrease. The reason why is because sometimes we pay insurance for the whole entire year. Some properties we pay insurance monthly. It looks like this one was just a monthly payment. Our maid and clean crew, we paid out $3,600 to them. So woohoo, super excited for our crew there to get paid that money, which was an increase of $1,100 more that they earned and a 47% increase. And the reason why that went up is because again, more reservations means more cleaning. Supplies also went up $1,200, which is up by about $447, a 57% increase there. Professional services, we hired our interior decorator, photographers to go out there and help us dress up some of our new properties, $686, so that went up there. We didn't use that last month. Web services, we spent $585 there, a $145 increase, which was 33% up. Total overall expenses was $20,500, which was actually a decrease of $1,200, down by 5.6%. Our net total income was $19,143, which, because we have a three-way partnership split, means we earned roughly about $6,300 in profit per person. All right, now coming in number 3 is my e-course business. All right, with my VA training course that I have on achievemorefreedom.com, I earned $340 from that, which was a decrease of $120 and was down by 26%. My Udemy income, I only earned $4,400 there, which was close to what I earned about last month, but it's still down by $27, which is less than 1%. Total overall earnings in my e-courses was $4,700, which was a total decrease of $147, and again, down by about 3%. Now, just like in e-commerce, I also believe in e-courses, same thing, historically speaking, summertime doesn't yield a lot more students for some reason, according to the categories of that my courses are in, which are making money and business courses. But typically that changes like crazy in November, December, and January, just like in e-commerce. All right, now coming in at number 4 is my gift card business. In July, from my gift card joint ventures / affiliate earnings, I earned $347 from my partners / affiliates is what I call them. Also, I want to take a quick minute to mention about residual income and passive income. Now, there's a lot of debate out there. A lot of people saying that, there is no true passive residual income. A lot of times it is semi-passive, which means, you still have to upkeep and maintain it and work it a few hours a week or a few hours a month to still earn that passive income. But for me, this is a business that I started 7 years ago, and it's so amazing because this is 100% passive residual income. I don't even touch this business or do anything anymore. It's really literally like a royalty that I earn every single month with the company that we were partnered with and send a lot of our gift cards to. So I earned about $1,500 from that company. So here's a screenshot of the actual check that I send into my bank. So as you can see here, this is commissions for June. It's always 1 month behind, so I deposit this on July. So that's when I count the earnings, is when I actually put the money in my account. But as you can see here, it came from Card Cash Exchange Incorporated. They're in New Jersey. You can check them out. It's abcgiftcards.com or cardcash.com. It's the same company. It's made out to my company, which is Achieve More Freedom LLC. But yeah, it averages anywhere between $1,000 to $2,000. Sometimes it's been as high as $8,000 a month. So I love this check. I call it mailbox money because it still comes in the mail in the form of a check. It's like old school money. All right, last but not least, number 5 is my direct sales income. Those of you who know, I used to be a part of a company called Miriam. It's a skincare company. I earned $947 in the month of July, which was a decrease of $260, down by 21%. Cost of goods was the same, $353. Total profit for Miriam was $590. Now let's go over my other business expenses that fall under my whole entire umbrella. For travel, this is really cool because I buckled down in the whole whole month of July, I spent $0 in traveling. If you've been watching any of my prior income reports, it usually averages anywhere between $2,000 to as high as $6,000, $7,000, even $8,000 a month just in travel expenses. So for travel, that was down by $5,800 since June, which is gonna be really cool. So when you see my total income and what I actually put in my pocket, I might make about the same or make more because I saved so much money. So even though I earned less, my expenses were less, so it will just even out. Accounting was $340, which is $50 more, 17% increase there. Legal, $30, the same there. Video production was $2,200, down by $1,700 and down by roughly about 44%. Web services, $14.99, an increase of $4, up by 36%. Marketing, I didn't spend any money on marketing this month, down by $149. So my overall other expenses was about $2,600, down by $7,600, a total of 74% decrease. Grand whopping total earnings was $100,942.17, which was down by $16,000 since last month, a decrease of only 14%. Total expenses was $8,800, down by $11,000, a 56% decrease. So even though I made less, my expenses were also less. So my grand whopping total, my net total income for the month of July was $20,877.89, which was only down by about $1,000. A decrease of close to 5%. All right, so there you have it. There is my income report for the month of July. I know this has probably been one of the longest income reports. I hope you gained a lot of value and a lot of inspiration from these reports. I know it definitely motivates me and holds me accountable. That's why I love doing them. Now, I'm not going to mention the lesson I learned. I kind of went over that a lot of times in the videos. So I just want to bid everyone a farewell. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't seen my last income report videos, make sure you check them out here. You can see the past 3 months here, or just click on the playlist and you can see the rest of them. Again, thank you for watching. Take care, take charge, and see you guys all at the top.